Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I want to present about my mini project. My name is Ahmad binti Ahmad Fathan. My metric number is E23A3042. So we go to the title. My research title is Determination of Difenoconazole Concentration in Soil at Palm Oil Plantation. Um, the introduction, we have background of study, problem statement, objective, scope of study, significance of study. So we go through first is background of study. Palm oil is vital to Malaysia's economy, but its production relies heavily on fertilizer and fungicide like difenoconazole. Repeated use of such chemical can disrupt soil microbial balance and harm nearby ecosystem. In Felda Kemahang, which is my place, my research at Felda Kemahang Kelantan. In Felda Kemahang Kelantan, intensive fungicide use raises concern about soil contamination. Hot weather, heavy rain, and um, laterite soil may affect how long difenoconazole stays in soil. The study provide baseline data to fungicide, reduced to support sulfur, more sustainable farming practice with lab test conduct at UMK So we go to problem statement. Problem statement. Although the use of fungicides such as difenoconazole has become widespread in various oil palm plantation areas in Malaysia to effectively control fungal disease in the Felda Kemahang area. The use of this chemical has not yet been widely adopted or recorded. The absence of data and research related to the use of difenoconazole in this unofficial use. Therefore, it is important to conduct a study to determine the concentration of difenoconazole in this area as an initial step in monitoring and sustainable management of fungicide in the Felda Kemahang oil palm plantation. So my objective is to determine the concentration of difenoconazole in soil at Felda Kemahang oil palm plantation, Tanah Merah, Kelantan. And two is to compare the concentration of difenoconazole between different plantation areas in terms of fertilizer and pesticide use. So my scope study is this study will be conducted by taking soil sample from several selected location within the Felda Kemahang oil palm plantation area Tanah Merah Kelantan. The main focus of the study was measuring the concentration of difenoconazole reduced only using standard laboratory analysis method. Gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, GCMS will be employed as the analytical technique due to its high sensitivity and accuracy in detecting and quantifying pesticide reduce in soil. This study did not involve analysis of the pesticide effect on crop yields or overall soil physical parameters. So the significance of study, this research the research have explained how much difenoconazole fungicide built up in the palm oil plantation, focusing on Felda Kemahang Tanah Merah Kelantan, as modern agriculture uses more and more chemicals. Having information on residues of of substance like difenoconazole allows us to keep soil, water, and the environment safe. So we go through the literature review. Okay, the literature review is the palm oil industry relies on um, fertilizer and fungicide like difenoconazole, which may harm health, soil health due to the accumulation. Uh, this study examines its level in plantation soil to promote safer, eco-friendly farming. Next, we go to methodology. And methodology is sampling design. This is figure 1, location of sampling site. Here's at Jalan Kemahang. Okay, sampling design. The method used was stratified random sampling. 3 separate farm sites are required to project. I sample at 0 to 10 cm, 10 to 20 cm, and 20 to 30 cm depth. 3 replications were done for every depth at each location. Sample preparation is air dried, sieved to 2 mm mesh, okay, stored at 4 Celsius prior to analysis. Lab analysis is quantification, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, GCMS available at Mal Analysis Kimia UMK Julie. Reference standard will be used for calibration. So for the statistical analysis, descriptive static means ST, ANOVA to compare mean between sites and depth, sites or depth, SPSS or R, software for data processing. So next we go to research flow chart. So the research flow chart from soil location Felda Kemahang Tanah Merah. Okay, we go to soil analysis, data analysis, and reporting. At Gantt chart and milestone, March week 2 and week 3 March, we go to soil sampling. And week 4 to week 2 April, we go to soil analysis. And week 3 to week 1 May, week 3 April to week 1 May, we go to data analysis. And May, week 2, week 3, week 4, I write a reporting. Okay, I write a report. So the research budget is travel and transport. I visit one site visit, 3 days, 150, and sampling tools, one set from UMK, GCMS analysis from UMK, 27 samples, data analysis software, SPSS license from UMK. Printing and document I use for 100 only, and the total is 250. Thank you so much for lending me your ears.